Have you printed an event shoot list from hhschools recently? Well, if you're thinking about how to run a contactless picture day this fall, then you should. In hhschools 3.8.3, we have updated the shoot list to make your picture day run faster. This report allows you to use one of the most efficient workflows in hhschools. It allows you to use the data collected from the school or league to print out a shoot list with barcodes that you can scan. Now, these barcodes let you time sync scan or post-shoot scan to match the image to the proper data. Are you not ready to invest in a scanner? Don't worry, you can still use the shoot list to track images and data. Simply record the sequence or JPEG number next to the appropriate name and match the name with the images when you get back to the studio. Curious how it works? In the Package Setup and Reports menu, go to the Print Subject and Package Barcodes dropdown. Then select the Event Shoot List. Enter the 3 sort levels that'll help you stay organized and locate the right student or athlete. Most studios with a school shoot will sort Level 1 grade, Level 2 teacher, and Level 3 last name. On the other hand, most sports photographers choose a sort Level 1 of division, a Level 2 coach, and a Level 3 last name. But you'll want to think through how the students will be coming down to the camera and choose the appropriate sort that'll help you stay organized. Then you'll choose a page break sort 1 or sort 2 based on how those students and athletes will come up to the camera. After that, click Print to generate your PDF. Once that PDF is generated, print 1 copy of the shoot list for every camera station, plus an extra as a backup. Taking a closer look, you'll notice how the report does not waste any space. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the name of the report, the project it's created for, and then the 3 sort levels and their values for that page. Then below, you'll find columns filled in for last name, first name, student ID, and subject ID in both readable and scannable form. You'll also see columns for sequence, background, and packages. Now, each of these columns flow from left to right in the proper workflow order. First, locate the subject. Then, verify their information. Record their sequence or JPEG number. Match the subject ID. Enter the background, and input the packages. You'll also notice that the remaining space on the page lined for anyone that walks up in the group that isn't on your list. When that happens, write in their last name, comma, first name, and any other pertinent information. If you're scanning, stick a subject ID sticker from the new blank camera cards and shoot list report in the target next to their name. Then take their picture. Scanning for group association, grab a group ID sticker and place it in the upper right-hand corner. The Is Group barcode will print on every event shoot list when it's time to capture the group image. If you're not familiar with the process, when it comes time to photograph the group, instead of scanning a subject ID barcode, scan the Is Group barcode. Then scan the group barcode for that particular group. Then take the picture. hhschools will read that data and know this is the group image for that group. So, if you're looking to run a contactless picture day or just a faster one, this new event shoot list will save you time on picture day. Have any questions? Give us a call, 800-821-1305.